同学们，大家中午好，
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Mr. G.
我是 Ronny 老师。我们今天要跟大家分享一下怎么用干法。
Okay, now we are going to share how to design anything using Canva. And now we are going to start using Canva for designing Instagram posts, for photo and also for video. Okay, so can we start now?
好的，我们现在开始吧。好的，我们现在往右角，在这里有 Create a Design，我们按它，在这里有很多功能，比如说我们可以做一个 PPT，然后 Instagram Post，有 Flyer 呀、海报等等，有很多，有 Zoom 的背景，我们也可以用这个干法。但是我们在这里要用 Instagram Post，所以我们选这个。
Okay, Laosa would like to start by Instagram post. Okay, let's have a look at the left side here. Okay, on the left side we have seen templates here, and then elements, uploads, text, background, logos, and more. Okay, Laosa, we'll start from templates.
好的，在左边我们能看到有很多功能。首先，老师要跟大家介绍一下这个 templates 的功能。templates 呀，我们可以选一个 templates，比如说在这里，老师选 Autumn Festival 呀，中秋节。然后在这里有很多，你们可以选你们喜欢的 templates 呀，比如说老师选这个。
Okay, let's choose this template. Actually, there are many kinds of templates. You can choose any kinds of templates. Okay, we are going to use these templates. Okay, Laosa?
然后呢，第二有 element 是什么？老师 element 就是图片。比如说，老师在这里选月饼呀，你们可以选你们喜欢的 element 呀。比如说，老师选一个
Okay, Laosa will put a mooncake picture here. Okay, wherever you can put the picture. And then
OK。
Laosa?
接下来老师要把老师的照片和视频上传到这里，我们可以选 Upload Media，然后我们选我们想要上传的照片和视频，比如说老师选这两个，然后 Open。
Okay, Laosa choose the photo from the uploading media taken from your device, and then we can choose one of them, or we can directly upload two medias directly. It's okay.
是的，然后第四个功能就是 Text，我们可以加一些 Text 在这里，我们选一个。但是如果我们直接把它放在这里，好像看不太清楚呀，我们所以可以调整一下，比如说我们选其他的颜色。
Okay, we can add what's it, the color for the text. Yeah, we can change also the font, and we choose whatever kind of font we want. Okay, and then also we can resize it into larger or into smaller, and we can put the space, yeah, to make the letters or the fonts not really strict. Yes, okay, we can make it larger.
是的，然后呢，在这里老师要写我们学校的名字。
Okay, and then we would like to write the name of our school here. Okay, you may write anything here on your design later.
好的，然后呢，老师要把老师的照片放在中间，但是如果老师把照片直接放到这里，不太好看，是吧？
Okay, and then put the photo here inside, but it looks like not really good position, Lausa. Okay, how to make it good, Lausa?
好的，我们可以选 element，
Oh,
然后 我们选 frame 呀。
Okay, we can choose frame from the elements. Okay, with kind of
在这里有很多 frame，我们可以选一个我们喜欢的 frame。比如说，老师选这个。
okay, and then also we'll choose the circle here, circle element. Okay, to put inside the photo. Okay, Lasa, please try.
这样比较好看。
It's much better, right? Yeah. So the
是的。
photo is inside the circle. Okay, what about the what's that? The other element, like a flower here. It's
是的。
behind the photo, Lasa. How to make it? It's in front of the photo.
我们可以按我们的照片，然后选 send to back，
Oh, I see.
然后就比较好看。现在比较好看。
Okay. Okay, so the flowers is in front of the photo. It's nicer, Lasa. Okay, and then Lasa?
接下来老师要加名字，
Oh, put more
我们可以选 text。
yeah, names here or text here. Okay,
比
but
如
it's
说老
not
师要
really
选
yeah, not really good, Lasa. It's not really clear the text also.
是的，因为
Okay.
如果我们就是直接选 text 的话，还是不太好看。我们可以选 element，
Oh, add
然后
more elements. Is that the gradient, Lasa?
是的，这个是
Okay.
gradient 呀。我们可以选一个，我们可以把它弄大一点儿。
Okay, to make it larger by dragging the corner.
我们可以改
Mhm.
它的颜色，换它的颜色。比如说，老师选
Oh,
白色，然后这个是
okay. We can set the color of the
蓝色。
gradient, Lasa. And about the
我们可
font,
以换
okay.
颜色。
Okay, make it bold. Okay, better, Lasa. Okay, everyone, we have tried to make what is it? This design, putting the photo, the frame, and the use of text, and also others of what's it? Elements. Yeah, this is the end of the result of this design. Okay, actually the base is the same. Okay.
好的，接下来老师要把视频放在这里，放在我们的 project 呀。怎么办，老师？在这里有两个选择。
Okay.
如果我们要做新的 project 的话，我们可以选 add page，
Oh, if we want
但是在
to,
这里没有什么。
okay, we want to choose the new project, just add page, Lasa. But if you want to choose the same project, what do you think, Lasa?
OK， 我们可以选 duplicate page， 我们可以用一模一样的 design 呀， 跟上面一模一样。
That's yeah. Same,
Okay.
Lasa.
是
Okay.
的，因为我们要放视频，所以我们把这个照片删除一下。好，我们选 element。
Okay. Just remove the photo, Lasa.
是的。
Okay. Then we choose the other frame for to put the video. Okay. Usually we put a rectangle, kind of rectangle.
是的。
Okay. Make it bigger.
好，我们选这个 uploads， 我们选我们想要放的视频。
Okay, we have already video here, and just click the video into the frame.
中秋
因为在 Instagram 里面，我们不能放超过1分钟的视频，所以我们可以把它剪短。
节
Yes, usually in Instagram we have only 1 minute. Okay, so if the video is more than 1 minute, we can cut the video. Okay, resize the video in the smaller one. Okay, this way.
然后我们选 done。
Okay. Okay, Lasa. Okay, what is the final result, Lasa, from this video? Can you okay? Okay, this is the final result of this video. Okay, Lasa.
好的，我们就到这里。
Okay, everyone, I think that's all for today. We have to project here how to make a design for photo and how to make design for video for Instagram posts. Thank you very much, everybody. See you.
好的，谢谢大家，再见。
Bye.